I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix copper pipe soldering. Now, a lot of people actually remove all the joints to fix their copper pipe soldering. Okay, you can see it kind of starting to suck in the solder, starting to get nice and shiny there. Now we're going to tip it over and apply a little bit new solder. Knowing how to do this simple job saves you a lot of money from having to call a plumber, taking time out of your schedule to have to be at the home when the plumber actually has to show up. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.